Hi, I'm Jeff Luty, the window expert. I'm so glad you're watching this video because I want to talk to you about the costly mistakes of buying cheap windows. So what are the costly things that happen? Well, number one, you get poor insulation. One of the reasons people buy windows is because they want their house to perform better. They want the air not to come in. They want their nice air-conditioned air not to go out the window. Like they don't want to throw money out the window anymore. But they buy a window that's poorly efficient. They buy a window that doesn't have good weather stripping, has poor air leakage ratings, and then they get a low quality installer who doesn't do a good job of sealing the window, if they even sealed it at all, and possibly the window even leaks. So number one, they didn't get what they expected, which was energy efficiency. Number two, their air conditioner runs harder all the time because the window's not performing like it should, which means their air conditioner is going to need replacing also before too terribly long. Number three, when air infiltrates, you get too much air in the house, guess what happens? You end up with moisture issues, you end up with humidity issues, you end up with mold, you end up with mildew. I'm not trying to scare you. These are the things that we fix all the time. 25% of the windows we replaced last year were windows that were already double pane units. So just having a double pane window does not mean you have a good window. What's another costly thing that happens? Well, another costly thing that happens is lots of dust and dirt and pollen come in. You suffer from allergies. If you have asthma, you're hurting all the time. If you have COPD, it's even harder to breathe. So you're not winning at all. In fact, I had a guy tell me one time, he said, Jeff, I want the cheapest window money can buy. You know what I said? Congratulations, sir. You have a house full of free windows. They came with your house. People don't want the cheapest window. They want the best window at the best price. And that's what you should be shopping for, is value, not price. Price should be on the list, but not number one. So don't make these costly mistakes. You say, well then Jeff, what should I be looking for in a great window? Well, the first thing you should be looking for is a great window company. Don't fall in love with a window, fall in love with a window company. Great window companies will not sell you poor quality windows because it reflects poorly on their reputation. If you got a great installer, he's going to sell you a great window. A poor installer doesn't care what window it is. He's about burn and turn. I heard a saying the other day. They said, I thought this was pretty good. It said that skilled labor is rarely cheap, and cheap labor is rarely skilled. There's a lot of truth in that statement. I heard another one too. I like this one. It said, never enough money to do it right the first time, but always enough money to do it twice. Don't do it twice. Do it once. Do it right. That's what I'm all about. Hey, if you like this video, do you live in the Houston or DFW area? Maybe you're part of Texas. Maybe I can help you with my company, the Window Experts. But if not, you live somewhere else, I compiled a list of great window companies all over the country. I think you should check it out. Visit jeffslist.com to find a great window company near you. Don't forget to like and please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.